and welcome back to The Inheritance Files, where we explore some of the most jaw-dropping, unbelievable, and downright bizarre stories in inheritance law. So today, we have a case that sounds like something straight out of a movie. Monique Leroux, French millionaire, left her entire fortune to, wait for it, her psychic. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of passing on her massive wealth to her family, Monique made the decision to leave it all to her spiritual advisor, someone outside the family. Now, I don't know about you, but if I were a family member, I'd have a lot of questions. And not surprisingly, her family wasn't exactly thrilled with her decision. They sued, claiming that the will was a result of fraud and undue influence. They argued that Monique had been manipulated into making such an unconventional choice. After all, her wealth could have been passed down to her loved ones, but instead, it was going to someone who wasn't even related. They believed that the psychic had used their position to manipulate Monique into leaving her estate to them. And as you can imagine, the court battle that followed was intense. And it wasn't just about the money, it was about family and trust. The family claimed that Monique had been isolated and vulnerable in her later years, and that her relationship with her psychic had crossed the line from advisor to someone taking advantage of her. In the end, after all the legal wrangling, the court sided with the family and the will was overturned. The psychic didn't walk away with Monique's fortune. The family got what they believed was rightfully theirs. But this case raised a lot of important questions about estate planning. So, manipulation and the role of non-family members in someone's financial decisions is very complex. So what's the big takeaway from all of this? If there's even a hint of manipulation, especially if it's by someone outside the family, there's a good chance the court could nullify the will. And this is what happened in Monique's case. The court saw that leaving her entire estate to a psychic raised serious concerns about her intentions, and they stepped in to make sure her true wishes were honored. So the lesson here is clear. If you're planning to leave your estate to someone, especially someone who isn't part of your immediate family, make sure it's clearly documented and ensure that it's free from any undue influence. Otherwise, you could end up in court, just like Monique's family did. And trust me, no one wants their legacy to be decided by a courtroom drama. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today on The Inheritance Files, and stay tuned for more shocking, unbelievable stories. And don't forget, proper estate planning isn't just about distributing assets. It's about protecting your wishes and ensuring that your legacy is respected.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.